In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace text with a blank cell here in Google Sheets. So let's say you've imported some data from another spreadsheet and you have some cells that contain this text right here. So instead of looking at all those texts, you want a blank cell instead. So how do we replace these texts with a blank cell? Well, first, let's figure out how many of these cells do contain this text. So we can start with a keyboard shortcut. That's Control or Command F. There we have it. So we have our search bar right here. Let's put in that same text. And there you have it. Now it's highlighted all those cells that contain that text. So how do we replace these highlighted cells that contain that text into just a blank cell? Well, what we can do is to go to this ellipsis right here, which will give us more options, and open the Find and Replace tab. Now, if you want to go right ahead and just open your Find and Replace tab, you can do this with the keyboard shortcut, Control or Command H. And there you have it. Now, if you don't want to do the keyboard shortcuts, you can always go to Edit here in the menu bar and select Find and Replace at the bottom. And it will open the same thing. So now that we have our Find and Replace tab, again, what we're going to just put in our Find tab right here would be the same text that we're trying to replace. So that's N/A. After that, we're going to replace it with a blank. Now to put in a blank, we're actually just going to put in a space. So just put in a space right there with your space bar, then select Replace All right here. And there you have it. Now you'll see on your spreadsheet that all those cells that contained that text have now been replaced with a blank cell. And it will also tell you that it has replaced 31 instances of that text with a blank. And there you have it. So just click on Done on your Find and Replace tab. And that's how to replace your text with a blank cell here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.